Hello, good morning guys and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Nelly and you're welcome to my channel. Sorry I'm closing my eyes because it's still early and the light getting into my eyes is a bit too much. So anyway, you guys are welcome to the channel. Like I already said, if you're new to the channel, please go ahead to hit the red subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up because I know you're back here to hear update from my use of Chebe. Okay, and then also go ahead to leave a comment down below if you've started using Chebe or not. Please, you guys watch my videos but you don't give a thumbs up. Please when you watch, please do well to give the video a thumbs up. It helps YouTube, it helps YouTube recommend my videos to a wider audience. It helps my videos reach more people. Okay, so please, when you watch my videos, please go ahead. Please, I am begging you, please when you watch my videos, just go ahead to give the video a thumbs up. Okay, it helps my videos reach more people. Okay, thank you very much. So today I am going to be confessing to something. Okay, so I haven't used Chebe on my hair for the past 5 days. That's because I traveled and I really wasn't able to prepare any Chebe on my way to take along. But I used the butter on my hair anyway. As you guys can see, the butter is almost out. Yeah, the butter is almost out because I used it on my hair, but I did not spray the Chebe infused water on my hair. So today I already prepared my Chebe infused water right here. It's still hot. It's still hot, and as you can see, these are the oils. So the oils I introduced into this today are, let me just go ahead to show you guys. Eucalyptus oil. Yeah, I introduced eucalyptus oil into my hair care regimen, and also tea tree oil. Okay, so these are the two oils that I have introduced. Yeah, these two oils are the oils that I have introduced into my hair care regimen. While we progress in this video, I'm going to go ahead to tell you guys about the benefits of those two oils that I added into my hair care and my hair care regimen, and I'm also going to be telling you guys about the benefits of the other oils that I've been using, which is my peppermint oil and my lavender essential oil. As you guys already know, I just do not use lavender essential oil because it adds fragrance to my hair. I equally use it because it helps my hair grow fuller and bigger. Okay, so let's just go ahead to begin the application because I have to go to work today and I am running late. So I had my hair all this while in a flat twist hairstyle, and I took it down yesterday. So I didn't want my hair to go really shrunken. It's already tangled already. I didn't want it to go shrunken either. So I just had to do this to my hair to help it, like stretch out a bit, and I think it worked. So I'm just going to go ahead to apply the Chebe infused water to my hair in sections. So basically guys, for the application process, it's really simple. I'm going to go ahead and part my hair in sections. I'm going to apply the infused water to my hair and seal in the moisture with my butter, and I'm going to go ahead to do chunky braids on my hair. So that's basically all that I did. Now for the benefits of the new ingredients that I introduced into my hair care regimen, the essential oils, eucalyptus oil and tea tree oil. For tea tree oil, guys, using small amount of tea tree oil down the shaft of your hair will help prevent buildup of chemicals and dead skin cells. It would also help your hair stay healthy and moisturized, which would help it grow healthy and prevent it from falling. Tea tree oil also helps treat dandruff. So when you have a lot of dandruff on your scalp, please go ahead to incorporate tea tree oil to your hair care regimen. Those of you who dandruff is fighting the growth of your hair so much, please go ahead to start using tea tree oil in your hair care regimen. Using it in your hair care regimen does not mean using it once in a while. It means using it for every single thing you are using for your hair, and also things that you're going to be applying to the roots of your hair. You guys should already know butters shouldn't be applied to the roots of your hair.
Ever since I started using Chebe for my hair, I haven't really detangled my hair, so my hair is a bit tangled up right now. So I think I'm just going to go ahead to do the detangling. Okay, as you can see, I'm having some really great shedding because I haven't detangled my hair in a very long time.
You must not forget the fact that if you have a very clean scalp, you are definitely going to be growing healthy hair on your head. Okay, so if you want to grow healthy long hair, try to get a very clean scalp by removing dandruff and other scalp infections that you might be experiencing for you to be able to grow a healthy hair. Now, to the benefit of the next ingredient, which is eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil has antifungal, antimicrobial properties for your hair. It helps stimulate hair follicles for hair growth. It improves hair health. It promotes healthy hair growth. It relieves itchy scalp, and it also helps treat head lice. So if you have head lice on your head, then definitely introduce eucalyptus oil into your hair care regimen. And like I already mentioned earlier, introducing it into your hair care regimen means using it regularly for every scalp treatment that you are making. Okay, so guys, I'm done with the entire application. I'm just going to go ahead to use my hair wonder hair oil on my scalp because my scalp is really dried. Like I said, I haven't applied anything to this hair for a very long time, so I'm just going to go ahead to apply that, and I'm going to give a quick gentle massage to my hair. If you're looking to get the benefit of any hair growth oil you're using, scalp massage is a very important step to carry out. I shared a video on TikTok where I talked about scalp massages and hair growth oils and all of that. Please go watch that video. Follow me on TikTok at Nelly Special, and also go ahead to give that video a thumbs up.
I think I should let you guys in. Chebe stings a lot. Like, so if you want to apply Chebe infused water to your hair, or if you want to apply Chebe paste to your hair, or whatever you want to apply to your hair using Chebe, ensure that you're wearing something that you can easily wash it from, or if you wash it and it doesn't get out, something that you really won't be that bothered about. Okay, the next time I'm going to be applying Chebe to my hair is going to be by tomorrow. Hopefully I remember tomorrow. I'm going to apply it to my hair again, and I'm going to continue for an extra 1 week because, like I said, I didn't use it for my hair for a while. Let me show you guys how much shedding I had. So this is how much shedding I had. As you can see, they are all long strands, so you wouldn't say my hair broke or something. No, they are all very, very long strands that went out of my hair, and that's as a result of not detangling my hair for a very long time, and also not using Chebe for over 5 days. I tried mini twist for a while, and I did not detangle my hair in that time. All I just kept doing was reapplying the Chebe over the mini twist and applying the butter over them just to seal in the moisture. That was basically all that I did during that time. And then when I moved to the flat twist, I also did not apply Chebe to my hair, and I did not even detangle my hair properly before
installing the flat twist. So this is all that I got from that, from not detangling my hair for that long. So quick tip also, if you want to grow a healthy hair, ensure you detangle your hair regularly. Do not keep your hair for very long without detangling, because imagine how much shed hair I had. On the norms, your hair should shed, your hair ought to shed every time you detangle. So if you do not detangle for over a longer time, when you're definitely going to be detangling, it's going to shed more because you didn't do it as regularly as you should. So bye.